Hi, my name is Chanai Hiranyaphinant. I am an image consultant and assistant managing director at Copac, a specialized self-adhesive label manufacturer in Thailand. I discovered ET through my image consulting research, and I plan to use what I've learned to further my career both directly through professional use as an image coach and indirectly through networking and business interactions. I believe there are really no situation or no place where like knowing the soft skill wouldn't be useful because it would help you connect with people and it would help you to establish rapport when you have to cross cultural boundaries, and I think that will be really important as we become more international. Thank you.